Hello world, I'm Sam Dev Guy. Last week on stream, I started to work with the Unity game engine. I loaded up all the art, and I got the lighting to look pretty good all told. I loaded the guitar sound in, and I added a mute button, so we can turn it on and off. And then I started working with moving the character and making sure it didn't walk through walls. Now, there's a lot left to do. I'll say, if I look at my board, I see we haven't done any of the animations. We have no conversations and no buttons to interact with the bears once they get together. We don't have a navigation mesh, so when we click on where we want the bear to go, nothing happens. We have to use arrow keys. And of course, we need to export it to both a computer and a mobile device. So join us this week on stream and see how many of those I can click off. And if not, then subscribe, and I'll catch you next week to see how well I did. Stay sane.